What are the pros and cons of international investment, and is it a good idea for diversification of our portfolio? Industry expert Mr. Gururaj will share his thoughts with you now.
Definitely, you can do it. Yeah. Only thing is, understand the currency risk is something which you have to take care. So, definitely you can do it. And many of the mutual funds are also doing it as a part of their portfolio. Apart from some of the mutual funds directly doing it, I think many flexi cap funds are also taking 20% exposure to the international equity. All that, even the multi cap funds, there is a possibility to do it. So, explore that also, because if you are saying as a part of asset allocation, check whether your funds are taking that exposure. If it is not there, you can definitely take it. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.